All right, good morning. I had to stop at the bank real quick, and then we're on our way to the facial. I didn't do anything because I'm going to get a facial done. I just had the most rude experience at UPS that I've ever had. And it's with the people who have been here forever. But I went in and they got this new self-serve kiosk for Amazon drop-off and returns. And my stuff was from Amazon. They were like, oh, you can go over there. Well, I had 4 different items. And the thing said, okay, scan your code if you have one or put in the information. So I scanned the code and it said, see associate. Okay, so then I tried the next one, see associate. Tried the next one, see associate. Tried the next one, see associate. Okay. So I went and saw an associate and they both got snippy with me. They were like, you can do the return at the self-service. And I said, yeah, I tried, but it kept telling me to see an associate. Well, then you hit the wrong button. I said, I just scanned the code like it instructed and it came up to see an associate. They're like, you hit the wrong button. Okay. Are you going to show me what the right button is? They're like, it's on the screen. It's instructed. Okay, if you're not going to show me what the right button is, and it's telling me to see an associate, I'm sorry that you have to do your job. I know that we're not supposed to be mad at service industry people because they're dealing with the public and everyone's already mad at them and everything, but like sometimes they're in the wrong. When they said you can go ahead and use the self-service thing, I went over there and did it. Tried it 4 times and it kept telling me to see an associate. That's not my fault. And if you are not going to show me or tell me what the right button is or what I did incorrectly, what do you want me to do? So as per usual, I couldn't finish the whole thing. I finished half of it, and I got about half of this, but we need to water some plants. So here is the wheatgrass shot, here is the ginger shot. This is the most disgusting thing ever. This doesn't taste too bad. All right, plants have been watered. I got stuff on to go hit yoga. Go do the yoga class. Then gonna get the garden going.
So in your tabletop, just take 2 rounds of breath in your cat-cow. Just a little warm up for the spine there. 2 deep breaths as you really exaggerate these movements because we're only doing a couple. Yes, that's it. Come to your neutral tabletop, nice flat back, looking straight down at the mat. We're gonna take that right knee and we're just gonna draw it in towards your chin, towards your nose, draw it all in towards center. Good. And then we're going to kick it up like a donkey kick, right? So you're just kicking your heel up towards the sky now. Yeah, so just reach that heel up towards the sky. Right heel to the sky. Oh, that's it. So you're squeezing that glute, activating the glute. Reach and then come back down to frame your foot.
Get some SPF going here. Now we're off to go get some mulch for the garden. And if you're wondering, FCA, have you changed outfits 3 times since the start of this vlog? Oh, that was an adventure. When I was coming here, I'm over at Home Depot. I got in the wrong lane. So I was like, oh, it's fine. I'll go up and around. But then I made another wrong turn. So I had to go around that. Oh, jeez. All right. Let's go get some. All right. Let's see here. Mulch. Stones. What is this? landscaping rock, I don't need those. All-purpose stones, no. What is this? River pebble. Raw. That looks very mulchy. Huzzah! The mulch! Alright. Mulch has been acquired. Alright. Got the parsley. All there. If you're wondering about the cardboard, it's to help stop weeds from growing. Alright, this is the book that I got. This is a new release, actually. So, excited for that. Alright, everyone, I'm in pajamas. I'm gonna stick some detox pads and look at these cowlicks. Aren't these just crazy? But I have my hair, it's clean. And yeah, thank you for joining me on my day. I will see you guys later and have a good weekend. Editing depending on when this will go up. Today is Thursday the 28th when I'm filming all of this. Gonna try to get it up before Monday. Bye, my lovely humans. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to do that whole likey, subscribey thing. There's a thing you can click on somewhere on the screen.